Hi everybody! Let me just move this out of the way. I'm not sure if I have ever showed you this bike, but this is my 99 Kawasaki EN500 and we've been through a lot. So I think it's about time that we treat this bike to some custom love, and today we're gonna do that by replacing that tiny little Sissy Bar with something a lot bigger and bolder. And I will actually use the stock mounting points, so if we in the future, for whatever reason, want to go back to the stock Sissy Bar, we can do that without any modifications. Alright, let's do this. I have sketched out a bunch of different Sissy Bar ideas, and my personal favorite is this Christmas tree right here. Just imagine riding around with a huge Christmas tree on your back. But still, I have decided to go for the one with the spade, because that would probably fit better on a bike. And I went with a spade because, well, Ace of Spades, obviously. I will now redraw this in the computer, but that is super boring to watch. So I will just snap my fingers and we are inside the computer. And I snap my fingers again and there's our digital Sissy Bar. I will send this to my 2D printer and then I snap my fingers a third time and we are back in the real world with these drawings. I will start making the top part. Here's a quick tip. If you are facing an awkward cut like this one and the saw is just sliding around, start the cut with the sharp side of a file. That will give the saw an indentation to ride in. If you watched my previous Sissy Bar build video, you might remember this. It's my failed first attempt at making a Sissy Bar, and it's back for a second attempt. Second tip, use a coarse cleaner on your angle grinder to remove mill scale. It really works like a charm, and I can't believe I haven't tried this before. Hold on a second. That doesn't look right. They are not parallel. Looking at the holes I drilled, it's pretty obvious why. But that's nothing a welder can't fix. Ah, much better. You know what? I think we are done. It's not a perfect mirror finish, but nothing else on this bike is perfect, so I think we'll be just fine. And if someone would ask me how long it takes to get to that perfect finish, my answer would be X plus 1 hour, where X is the amount of hours you have already spent. In other words, you can always put in more time and elbow grease into stuff like this, but I think this one is good enough for rock and roll. Let's put it on the bike and see what it looks like. I think this Sissy Bar changed the look of the whole bike. It's like a brand new bike, and I think it looks really cool, and I hope you do too. If you're looking for something else to watch, maybe check out this video right there, and check out heavymetalparkingspot.com for some nice merchandise. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!